Hey man, say man, it's your girl, eat your heart out, and we at Let's Tea. Look at me trying to be all cute and it's moving all over to my face. Y'all know y'all wanted to see that anyway. Now let's get into the drink and look at mine sitting in the middle like the star of the show in between these menus. Let's get into it. So we looking, they got the matcha for you, the fruit smoothie tea and the fruit tea and sparkling water. And look at the prices. Creme brulee, y'all, this gonna be fire. I had a donut that was creme brulee and it was so good. Look how happy I was. Look, they got blue Lena. Y'all, all the woke motherfuckers can come here. They have blue Lena. Y'all already know what that is. Order here. And this guy is so nice. She made the drink for me and all the people in there was like, bye. They were so nice too. And look at this. These are snowflake crisps, okay? Each row, I'm pretty sure, indicates a new flavor. I did not get a chance to taste these, but this is a reason to go back and chill. You know what I'm saying? Look at all of the little crisps, and they look handmade. Now look at me, shaking my booty, shaking my booty. My underarms was stinking, y'all. I had to go home. Oh, anyway, Let's Tea. That's where we at. We at Let's Tea, okay? This is how the outside look. I love that green color. It's my favorite. And look, it's Gay Street in Baltimore, okay? If you want to come out, Gay in Baltimore. Gay in Baltimore. And y'all all know them strip clubs is right down the street, boo. So get your drink on, then go see some ass shake, okay? Asians love me. They knew me exactly when they saw me. I was there.
And I was just in there doing a little grub hub. And he, they made a drink in excess and he gave it to me. He was like, here, try it. So yeah, that's a gateway to TikTok content for me. Now, though it didn't set in the car a little longer than what it was supposed to, today we're gonna try a strawberry milk cap for the first time. Now, this order was made large, less ice, less sugar, with crystal balls, okay? So we see this concoction. Now, this is the very first time that I ever had this type of drink. I've had the boba before. I've went to Kung Fu Tea, and I've had, like, my favorite one there is the dragon. It's like the hibiscus lemonade. It's so good. So let's try this one. A little splash. Okay, I'm ready. I give it a 10 out of 10. All right, let me drink some more first. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now. I give it for the drink to be like a milk, it's almost like a milkshake, right? But with less calories. Like, it don't make you feel like overweight, overstuffed. And the ice in the boba, I think this is like boba at the bottom, it gives it a refreshing, almost like taste to it. It's like you can taste the strawberry in it. And on top of that, most of the prices was around like $6-7. When I tell you, if you're looking for a place to just go get drinks, check out Let's Tea on Baltimore Street in Gay. You'll love it, I promise you.